The president has announced his six-part plan to get better control of the pandemic across the country. In response, we are hearing from more of our Hoosier leaders. Governor Holcomb issued this statement saying he believes the vaccine is the best way to protect yourself. He went on to say, quote, "The announcement from President Biden is a bridge too far. Private businesses should be able to look at their own mission, their staff, and their goals and make the decision best for them that will keep their doors open." The president asked large entertainment venues from sports to movie theaters to require vaccinations or negative COVID tests before allowing people inside. Now, we spoke with the Cyrus Place Event Center downtown, and the owner says all of his staff is vaccinated, but it gets tricky telling his customers what to do. Despite the governor's appeal, he's leaving it up to individual guests for now.
If they make it a law, yes. But if they don't make it a law, I think I'm going to leave it up to the client to pick what they want to do.
Now, we also reached out to Lucas Oil Stadium ahead of the Colts game tomorrow. A spokesperson says right now it's up to event organizers, and there hasn't been any more discussion since the president's announcement. And the president has been out defending his plan as he tries to slow the spread of COVID-19.
We're playing for real here. This isn't a game.
And just here in Indiana, the state reported another 5,000 new cases just yesterday. Nationwide, we are seeing 100,000 new cases daily. So now one of the questions this morning is, can this legally be done? Our Verify team is digging into whether this kind of mandate is actually legal.
So first, can the federal government require that federal employees get the COVID vaccine? And second, can they require that private employees get vaccinated? So let's start with federal employees. We spoke with Lawrence Gostin from Georgetown Law and Stephanie Rapp-Tully, a federal employment lawyer based out of D.C. And both say, generally speaking, yes, the federal government can require its workforce to get the shot.
The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission and the Department of Justice have both said that it's lawful to do it. And there are federal courts that have upheld other workforce mandates.
Rapp-Tully says there are exceptions for those with medical or sincerely held religious objections. Another caveat here, unions. Rapp-Tully says the federal government would have to negotiate an agreement with them in order to avoid litigation. So yes, in general, it's legal for the president to mandate that federal employees get the vaccine. So let's get to that second question now. Can the federal government require that private companies vaccinate their employees? This one is a little tricky. We asked Lawrence Gostin, our global health expert, and two constitutional law experts, Robert Peck from the Center of Constitutional Litigation and Trevor Burrus at the Cato Institute. So Gostin and Peck say yes, this rule has legal precedent, including in the Supreme Court. But meanwhile, Burrus says no, the president does not have the constitutional power to make you get a vaccine.